Welcome to our live streams. This is where the grown-ups trade. No hype, no flexing, no TikTok guru nonsense. Just focus, discipline, and respect for the craft. Here we trade gold, the oldest store of value on Earth, at the precision scalping level. That's where trading gets real. Where a single tick too early or too late decides everything. It's the hardest style of trading there is. And the highest form, too, because it demands mastery of mind, structure, and emotion. Execution over ego. Reaction over prediction. Can it be the most lucrative? Yes, but only for those who earn it. There are no shortcuts here. You can't fake discipline at 10-second speed. Most gurus out there sell you dreams from their demo accounts. We build traders who can survive the market on their own terms. We don't promise easy wins. We teach you how to build a system that doesn't break when you do. If you're here, you already know what that takes. Courage, grit, gumption, the willingness to get punched in the face by uncertainty and still show up tomorrow with your rules intact. Because precision scalping isn't just a trading style, it's a mirror. It shows you who you are under pressure, and it forces you to get better, not just as a trader, but as a person. The focus you build here, the emotional control, the ability to act without hesitation, those are life skills. They translate everywhere. So welcome to the Barcelona Trader, where we practice the hardest craft in markets and one of the most rewarding in life. Let's get to work.
Welcome to the live stream. Let's get this going. How about a little lights, camera, action? Welcome. Here we are. All right, let's bring the music down a little bit. Change the vibe a little bit. Okay, let's see where we've got price. It is 7:36 on December 1st in New York at 7:36 p.m. All right, let's see what we got. Price is at 42.26, showing us sitting just above the WM3 and just below the MM3, which is sitting just below the DPP. So we have come below. If we look here at the 5-minute chart, you see the day began here at this vertical, shall we say, this vertical line here. So we came up just a little bit, and then we've come down considerably. Let's say from 42.33, we came all the way down to 42.21. So really a drop of about 12 pips right there, $12 value in gold. We've come up a little bit since then, kind of bounced off of that support right there, but it did bring us below the the daily pivot point. So we are this yellow line, this yellow band that goes right across the screen here is last week's high of the week. So we've been trading above the high of the week for most of the day of December 1st. Now, even though it is December 1st in New York, we are trading in Asia now. Those are the markets that are open on Tuesday, December 2nd. Let me turn the music down just a little bit. I have it a little bit loud in my headphones. We're going to open the Zoom room up right now. first of all, let's quickly just take a little trip around the block and see where things are, get our bearings before we open the Zoom room. All right, so we have over here on the right side of the screen in the upper right corner, we have the 30-minute DXY. That is the dollar measured against a basket of other currencies, primarily the euro and then the pound. Let's see, we've got pretty sideways right there. We can see here on the 1 minute, it's the same instrument, the DXY. This is the 1 minute. We've been ranging just a little bit right in here. That's what's going on there. So moving sideways after coming up for most of the day. And looks like the bonds, the yields finally came up during most of the day in tandem with the dollar. They were moving against each other in the early part of the session, giving me the jitters. Okay, so here we are again on the 5 minute. As I said, we're at 42.26. Here's the same thing on the 1 minute. And we flip over here to the 10-second futures chart. Speaking of which, I'm going to open the 5-second futures chart as well. Oh, goodness. I am missing a cable. One moment. Okay, I'm back. Make sure that's plugged in so I don't lose power. Okay, now I have my 5-second open there. And let's make sure we're logged into our broker. And we are. Looks like we are ready to go. All right. Now is the time to open that Zoom room. Okay, that reminds me, I need to change my stats panel. We are not in the New York session. We're in the Asia session. We have taken no trades so far. That one trade and one win taken earlier was in the New York session. After I took 2 losses last night, unfortunately. All right. I'm dimming the lights on purpose here. Hey, there's Tono.
What's good, man?
All right, how you doing?
Doing all right. Any movement?
No, we haven't been on for very long.
I think email's supposed to be coming on.
All right.
Text me earlier for the link.
Let's see. I need to get your.
You do any more after I got off?
No. Nope. I didn't. Well, looks like we're on the move here, though.
Going up.
Yeah. All right. Let's get serious about this now. What do we got? Let's swap out my camera angle for something a little less intimate. There we go.
5-minute is tight on the upside. Very tight.
On the upside, it's tight. What do you mean?
The Haganashi, there's a resistance there that's been
Oh yeah,
pretty strong, holding it from going up.
yeah. It looks like there's the huge thick resistance here on the 1 minute too. On our support, I mean too.
Yeah.
So where are we supposed to trade? Just in between this support and resistance on the 1 minute?
On the 1 minute, yep. Let me see where it's at. It is 23
And 30.
to 29.30, yeah.
With the WM3 sitting at 24.
WM3, yeah, mine is 22.
Wow.
So yeah. Look at the daily pivot. The support is strong, big fat support on it.
Yeah. Yeah.
Before it gets down to the DM2. Look like it's gonna be a tight trade today,
Yeah.
if anything. Yeah, the WM3 and the DM2 is all in that support area.
Yeah.
It needs a catalyst to move it, or it ain't going nowhere.
Well,
Let's see what it did.
let's see what's on Trump's schedule. Trump gonna talk
36.
tonight?
Minus 20 to 1. Yeah, it's tight. You said he's talking tonight?
No, I don't know if he's talking tonight, but if he is, he might say
Oh, you
something
mean
that moves the
tweeting?
market. Yeah.
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 I don't even know if the market responds to him anymore.
Yeah, hard to know. Well, not hard to know. I think the market still responds to him. I guess it depends on what he says, though.
I was just reading this one thing about the Venezuelan thing we were talking about earlier. But he's given a pardon to the guy from Honduras. Or is it Venezuela? I can't remember.
Honduras, yeah.
Honduras.
Yeah.
So how you gonna kill people in one boat and then try to free the guy? You know what I mean?
Yeah,
Who's
yeah.
responsible for bringing all the drugs in?
Right, right. He doesn't really care about the drugs.
No, he getting a kickback somewhere. You hear that he's stiffing the contractors for the ballroom that he's building?
No, I didn't hear that.
Yeah, the contractors are saying they're not getting paid. And he's saying that they volunteered their services when they all have contracts.
Jesus.
Yeah.
Just give me a really easy trade tonight. Give me about $300-400, and I'll just go away peacefully. How about that?
All right, so remember that thing I showed you when I was up on the CM? It's gone. I was able to not click out of it now. There it is right there. That's your trade.
That was my trade.
Yeah.
I wasn't really prepared for that. I need another one. I need a mulligan.
Make up your mind what you want to do.
Not much it can do. It's gonna bottom out here and come right back up.
Yeah.
But I think the safer bet is to take it riding down than taking it riding up.
Yeah, but you're riding it right into the support on the 15-minute daily.
Yeah, but I don't mean right now. I mean let it go up and then ride it back down.
Coming back down, yeah.
Did you ever? Oh, never mind. We're on YouTube. Never mind.
All right.
My trade station looks cool on YouTube.
Yeah, it does. Yeah.
My rig. I feel like a trade station is a lot like a drummer's, drum kit or trap set.
Yeah.
You know, everyone has to have the basic elements, but you arrange them the way that you get used to. You get your muscle memory used to your setup.
Right. Tell Mike to send it. It never joined the evening, so that I don't think I have it. What?
Oh, man, are we missing trades now? No. Hang on. Man. Participants. Copy invite link. And now I need to go to my email and send an email to McKinney Enterprises something, right?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Evening Zoom link. All right. He should have it in his email. I could have made $500 if I'd taken that buy.
Yeah.
All right, well, let's see if we get the sell here at the top. Question is this a reliable sell? Because we are less than 2 minutes away from the top of the hour. So now, as we say in Spanish, donde dije digo Diego.
What does that mean?
Where I said one thing, now I mean another.
Oh.
But it's kind of a tongue twistery way of saying it. So like what I meant was, where I said, it's better to take it out or wait, let it go up and then take it back down. So now I'm saying something else, which is it's not a good idea because we're 1 minute away from the 8 o'clock candle.
Get a drop.
There it is. Yep. Just too unpredictable.
Way to get to the 8.
It is 10 minutes, 10 seconds, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 8. He's an 8 o'clock faker.
Mhm.
Can't trust gold at 8 o'clock. You can actually. It's just if she makes up her mind, she goes.
You don't know what it wants to do. It's just playing games.
Mhm.
We're going down.
You're playing with our heart.
Been here before.
So, you know, now we have more momentum coming into the market. That was 8 o'clock, so that's when Tokyo opens, adds to Australia. Hong Kong comes online.
Mm-hmm. Come on. You
So,
in?
well, I'm not in, no, because we're going right into this support here on the 1 or on the 5 minute and the 1 minute
Yeah.
and 15 minute. Ah, it's pushing through it though. Price action says it wants to go through, but I suppose you're in, right?
I'm out now.
Yeah,
I made about $50 on it on the
yeah.
prop account.
It doesn't, you know, I'd like to take it, but as you know, I can't handle volatility. It has to be going.
Your D-man, come on.
I don't know. I don't think he's on, no. Oh man, look at that go. Now we've hit the DM2.
he still wants to go. Said it never came to his email.
Well, what's his email address?
I'm going to tell him to text it to you.
I thought it was. Hang on, just a second. I got it. He doesn't have to text it to me. Yeah, I sent it to the right place.
Is are we going lower? Or are we turning around?
Okay, the subject line is Zoom for evenings.
This guy real quick.
All right.
Hey, there he is.
Right, all right. Did y'all take that trade down or y'all left it alone?
I
Yeah, I
didn't.
took some of it.
You said you did, Tono?
Yeah.
Yeah, I was looking at the platform when it shot down.
Did you feel like it was just giving it to us when it was coming down there, Tono?
Yeah, it did give it to us.
Yeah, but I didn't. I just couldn't take it because it was going.
No,
through
you
that.
did it. You did the right thing not taking it because it wasn't because of the support that was all in the way.
Yeah.
You could have just ignored it. You know, I took it because I'm not on my main account. I'm on the prop account, so it really doesn't matter to me.
Ah.
And it paid me, but I wouldn't have taken it on my main accounts. It's just too tricky.
Yeah. Yeah.
You know, so you did the right thing by holding off, keeping your cool. Not chasing it.
Now I'm wondering if it's going to go back up here. It's going to take this, but it's looking like that's not happening right now.
I think it's going to come back down to the low, which was what, 10?
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
It'll probably come back to the low and then go right back up again. Unless it's trapping people. You know.
Whoa, holy shit. Have you been in, had any of us been in that? That's $600 right there. Holy smokes.
I
Scared.
got some of it. Still getting some of it.
Oh, it's at 3 now, bro.
Wow.
It's ripping through there. I don't know what to do. Hold off right now, I guess.
It spiked down to 192.
Yours went that far down?
Yeah.
Oh, that's right. You trading,
Yeah.
you trading other stuff.
No, that's on spot.
That's no spot.
Yeah.
And yeah, mine's only say 203. Well, now 202.
Well, that's where it is now. Well, no, it's at 206 now, but yeah. Damn.
That would have made your night.
Yeah. Yeah. And my tomorrow. And the day after that. I can't tell what it's doing. You know, it's
Trying to figure out.
does it want to come back down?
Feels like it does.
Tempted to get in, but we're right here on the pivot right now again. Right here on the DS1.
DS1?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So it's looking like it might stall out here and you know, some profit taking ensues. I don't know.
Hold on 1 second, Tam.
Hmm? It's struggling to push back down.
Gold is weaker than the dollar, so technically we shouldn't be riding it up, but something tells me it's gonna pop.
Pop up?
Hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Gold's getting stronger. Even though it's still weak, it's getting stronger. I'm gonna go.
You took a buy?
I did.
Your screen is messed up on YouTube or Zoom. I'm not sure which one.
What do you mean it's messed up?
It's blurry.
Oh. I don't know. I'll check that in just a minute.
Hmm. You made money on that?
Hope so. Yeah. 160.
Good.
160. Still blurry?
Hmm.
Still blurry?
Yes. It was just cleared up a second ago. Then it's clear now, I think.
Oh, okay.
It's kind of blurry, but it's better.
All right. It's the best I can do right now.
Yeah, don't worry about it.
This must be a bandwidth thing. Yeah, that was kind of a nerve-wracking trade. It went against me a little bit, and I was worried I was going to get stopped out.
Hmm.
But I managed to get enough out of it that I can be done for the evening.
Good. I'm at 229.
Nice.
A little too choppy for me.
Yeah.
I
I
made
have
my nut. I think I'm going to call it because I don't want to give it back, and I don't want to get caught on a bad trade either.
exactly. I'm feeling a little jittery with with the way the market's behaving too.
Yeah,
So
it's just it's up, it's down, it's all over the place.
yeah, I made my nut too. So I'm
Yeah.
not feeling confident in, or it's me or it's the market, one or the other. Either way, I shouldn't
No, it's the
trade.
market. It's
Yeah,
definitely the market. It's
yeah,
just not. I'm uncomfortable. When I get uncomfortable, believe me, it's the market.
yeah. Okay.
You know, normally I can trade in between almost anything, but this is just you just throwing shit up on the wall, just trying to be in it, just to be in it.
Right, right.
Like all the two, I made how much? Three? How much did I make? I made 230, and I can honestly say it wasn't based off of skill.
Hmm.
You know, I just got lucky on that one down trade, and the rest of them would just throw up against the wall. It might work,
Right.
you
Right.
know.
Yeah.
That's not how I trade, so I'm not trying to play the game with them,
Right.
you know.
All right. Well, I think that's our cue. Let's call it. Let's
Cool.
call it a night. Quit while we're ahead. Set an example for everyone who
Yep.
might watch us. Wonderful,
Cool.
wonderful. Okay. Have a good night.
All right, brother. You
Catch
got
you
it, man.
tomorrow. Okay. Bye bye.
Peace.
And YouTube. I think that's it from me. Let's start thinking about how we say goodbye. I think it's like this.